Namaste everyone, welcome to a new episode of Restore Your Natural Vitality. Stand erect with your feet together. Place your palms on your lower back area and draw your elbows back. Inhale and raise your heels as high as possible. Exhale as you lower your heels down. Repeat the movement with your feet shoulder width apart, then with your feet wide apart. Perform 6 to 12 reps for each stance. Stand erect with your feet together. Hold your elbows with the opposite hands behind your back and keep your shoulders down. Walk on your toes like a penguin, taking small steps for 5 to 10 meters. Then switch to walking on your heels for the same distance.